With all the gra-gra Okorocha has been doing, he won a Senate seat, or rather, he compelled the returning officer to declare him the winner of the senatorial seat. He had issues with INEC. All the gra-gra that he's done, after all said and done, Okorocha is in the Senate. What is he doing? He's sleeping. Look at him. He was captured today in the Senate, long lens camera, during the NTA report. Okorocha is sleeping. That is how he's representing Imo people. That is how he's representing Imo Senatorial West, of Imo West Senatorial. At the same time, this is the man sleeping. This man, EFCC should be dragging him around now. Look at the roads he has done in his state. Look, these are the roads. The more the rain falls, these roads keep collapsing. These roads are now unmotorable. How can he build bridges without supporting iron rods? Okorocha, Kede Kandi Mosi Mejoy. What have they done? What did Imo do to you to deserve this? Build road. You built China road for them. Build better road. No. Build good road. Mba. Even you go to the Senate when you won your case. Okorocha, go to the Senate to represent your people. Ola, what do you want to do? You want to go to the Senate and sleep. The more I look at Okorocha, the more I look at what, a clear definition of what Iberiberism is all about. Okorocha is an Iberiberized, in fact, an Iberiberized senator. As a governor, this is the road he did. As a senator, he's sleeping. Okorocha. Ebeo, Mabulundimo.